How were the pyramids built? When people see the Great Pyramid of Giza, one question almost always appears. How did ancient people move so many enormous stones without modern machines? The short answer is not magic. It was planning, labor, engineering, and a lot of patience. The Great Pyramid was built more than 4,500 years ago, during the reign of Pharaoh Khufu. It was not made by a tiny secret group. It was a national project organized by the Egyptian state. First, workers needed stone. Much of the limestone came from quarries near the pyramid site. Some finer white limestone came from farther away, and granite used inside the pyramid came from Aswan, far to the south. The stones were cut with copper tools, stone hammers, wooden wedges, and sand used as an abrasive. The blocks did not have to be perfect at first. They could be shaped more carefully once they were placed. Then came the hard part, moving them. Many experts believe workers used sledges. A heavy block was placed on a wooden sled and pulled by teams of men. One famous ancient painting even shows a person pouring water in front of a sledge. Wet sand can reduce friction, making the load easier to pull. The Nile River was also extremely important. Egypt was built around the river. During flood seasons, boats could carry stones closer to construction sites through canals and harbors. But how did they lift the stones higher and higher? The most likely answer is ramps. There may have been straight ramps, zigzag ramps, spiral ramps, or a combination of several systems. We still do not know the exact design, but ramps explain how heavy blocks could be dragged upward little by little. The workers were not helpless slaves from a movie scene. Archaeology suggests many were skilled laborers, organized into crews, fed with bread, beer, fish, and meat, and housed near the site. Their work was difficult, but it was also organized. Surveyors aligned the pyramid with incredible precision. They watched the stars, measured the ground, and used simple tools such as ropes, sighting instruments, and levels. Simple tools can create amazing results when used carefully at a huge scale. The pyramid was built layer by layer. Blocks were placed, adjusted, and packed together. The outer casing stones made the surface smooth and bright. In the sun, the finished pyramid may have shined like a mountain of white stone. So the real mystery is not whether aliens helped. The real mystery is how humans, with simple tools, could organize so much work so well. The pyramids remind us that ancient people were not primitive. They were careful observers, skilled builders, and powerful organizers. They did not have engines, cranes, or computers, but they had mathematics, teamwork, time, and a reason to build something that would last almost forever.